China keeps pushing the limits of what we think is possible. Bridges that look like they float, railways built across mountains no one ever thought could be crossed, and megacities rising almost overnight. None of this happens by luck. Behind these massive achievements is an army of advanced construction machines that change the entire game. These machines cut years of work down to weeks. Some build bridges while hanging in the air, others drill straight through mountains like they are cardboard. No other country has this level of technology working at this scale. Today, we're looking at 8 of the most impressive machines transforming global construction. Trust me, number 1 is on another level. Number 8. The ship that creates islands. There's a machine in China that can literally create land where there was only ocean. The Tianqunhao, also known as the Magic Island Maker, is Asia's biggest dredging vessel. It can pull 6,000 cubic meters of sand and rock per hour from the seabed, enough to fill a full Olympic swimming pool in just 20 minutes. This material is pumped to new zones, forming brand new land. This is how China creates artificial islands and expands its coastlines. One ship, changing the map. Number 7. The giants that eat mountains. China's tunnel boring machines, TBMs, look like underground spaceships. Some reach 20 meters in diameter, stretching hundreds of meters long. They don't just dig. They analyze the soil, adjust drilling pressure, detect obstacles, and work non-stop. These machines carve tunnels under rivers, through freezing mountains, and deep beneath cities, building entire metro systems underground. They replaced years of manual labor with smart mechanical power. Number 6. Machines that work with perfect precision. China controls about 40% of the world's high-precision industrial robot market. These robots cut and shape materials with accuracy down to fractions of a millimeter. They never get tired. They can predict breakdowns before they happen. They communicate with each other wirelessly. They are the quiet, invisible force behind every mega project. Number 5. The 580-ton bridge-building centipede. Imagine a machine that walks on the bridge it is building. The SLJ 900/32, known as the Iron Monster, is 91 meters long and weighs 580 tons. It slides forward, lifts massive concrete sections, and places them with millimeter accuracy. No cranes, no huge labor teams, no scaffolding. That is how China built the 55-kilometer-long Hong Kong-Zhuhai-Macau Bridge. A bridge that looks impossible, made possible. Number 4. The humanoid robot factory worker. The UB Tech Walker S is a full humanoid robot already working in factories for companies like Volkswagen. It checks car doors, buttons, seatbelts, lights, and labels. It can walk, avoid obstacles, map environments, and interact with human workers. This is not a prototype. This is already in real production. Number 3. The robot that lays thousands of bricks. The Hadrian X bricklaying robot builds walls faster and cleaner than a whole team of masons. It reads building plans, cuts bricks, reuses leftovers, and places everything with laser precision. Labor that once took days can now be done in hours. Number 2. The giant 3D printer that builds houses in 24 hours. 3D concrete printing is changing construction. Large robotic arms print walls layer by layer directly from digital blueprints. One house was completed in just 24 hours. No forms, no waste, no major crew. Just design, print, done. The result is stronger and more precise than traditional construction. Number 1. The drone swarm that builds structures in the air. This is the future. Groups of construction drones working together to build structures in the sky, fully synchronized, fully automated. A drone swarm recently built a 6-meter tall complex tower entirely on its own. No human touching a single block. Drones don't rest, don't sleep, don't wait. Soon, swarms of drones may build skyscrapers while we simply watch from below. Conclusion. What we're seeing is the beginning of a construction revolution. Machines that work endlessly, robots that replace entire teams, drones that build in the air. The real question is, can the rest of the world keep up? Tell me what you think. Is this future exciting or scary?